Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. After a long time, I'm back today. First of all, I'd like to say sorry to you all because I could not upload video in a regular basis due to my personal reason. Now from today onwards, you will get video on a regular basis. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel by hitting a subscribe button and at the same time hit a bell icon and turn on all notification. Today in this video you will get some paid courses for free with certificates. To know more about the course and how to enroll in the course for free, please watch the video till end without skipping any parts. Let's start for today's topic. Today's first course is Python Bootcamp 2020 Build 15 Working Applications and Games. If you are a beginner and want to learn a Python, then you can enroll in this course. So to enroll in this course for free, please apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 31.5 hours, whereas the promo code will expire after 1 day. Our next course is for finance student, that is Basic of Financial Markets, a complete study. In this course you will learn the meaning of financial market, or types of financial market, function of financial market, scope of financial market and role of financial market. So to enroll in this course for free, try to apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 1.5 hours, whereas the coupon code or the promo code will expire after 2 days. Likewise, the next course is regarding a personal development, a law of attraction, a personal development, money and success. Here you will learn how to manifest success. You will learn to develop a self-esteem with the help of law of attraction. You will learn to build a confidence with the help of effective affirmation, and also you will learn to use a mental training to be a successful. So to enroll in this course for free, apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 1.5 hours, whereas the promo code will expire after 2 days. The next course is Adobe Lightroom for beginners, a complete photo and image editing. If you want to learn a graphic designing course, that is photo editing, then you can enroll in this course. To enroll in this course for free, apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 1 hour, whereas the promo code will expire after 2 days. So its original price is $194.99, but when you apply this promo code, this course will become totally free, and after the completion of the course you will get certificates too. I will provide the link of each and every course in the description box, so you can enroll in the course by clicking on the link or on the course link which you like to enroll. And the next course is for the programmer or those who wants to be a programmer in future, that is Learn Flowcharting, be a professional programmer. In this course you will learn to effectively turn your programming ideas or problems to a flowchart, know the missing pieces by drawing before coding strategy. You will be able to save time, money and effort by drawing the program solution before moving to the application part. So before coding a program, first of all you need to prepare a flowchart. So this course will help you to design a flowchart. In order to enroll in this course for free, apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 43 minutes, whereas the promo code will expire after 2 days. The next course is Data Science and Business Analytics course. Here you learn the core of data science, analytical skills and business knowledge to make confident decision. So to enroll in this course for free, apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 8 hours, whereas the promo code will expire after 2 days. Likewise, the today's last course is a complete time management course, Raise Personal Productivity. So if you are facing problem in managing your time, this course will help you to manage the time and will help you to set your goals and also to reach in the goal that you have set. Here you learn a time management, goal setting, how to manage, how you spend your time in life, and also tips on how to not let your cell phone eat away at your time and productivity. Personal productivity management skill, strategies for applying the Portio principle. So to access this course for free, apply this promo code, and after applying this promo code, either click on add to cart or click on enroll now to access this course for free. This course is of 26 hours, whereas the promo code or the coupon code will expire after 2 days. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, hit a dislike button. And also I would like to request you to comment a course which you want to enroll for free. So I'll try to manage a coupons for that course so that you can enroll in that course for free. Thank you so much. Once again, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you so much.